Okay guys, so I've finally done it. I've upgraded to the M5 iPad Pro from the M4 iPad Pro. I don't recommend people do that, but it depends on your needs and what you're using it for. So I used to have the space grey, now I've gone for silver. I've now got a matching keyboard to go with it. First of all, let's compare some of the benefits with the new M5 iPad Pro. It's got 3.5 times faster AI performance than the M4, and so then it's got a faster neural core engine and a GPU. It also has a redesigned GPU, so this will help with certain tasks like Lightroom, if you don't want to do video editing. So there's even a Premiere Pro app now. You've got Photoshop, Procreate, things like that when you want different layers. And clearly this is for advanced users. The CPU as well is generally faster. Again, it's way overpowered for an iPad itself, but it is trying to be a bit of a hybrid device like a MacBook Air. So this is kind of what I'm using it for. I have my MacBook that sits on the desk most of the time, and this is going to be my device to take away with me and do less complex tasks, and also less complex video editing, but photo work, thumbnails. You've got the touchscreen and the pencil, so those things can help. Also, there's been big upgrades inside, so the SSD is twice as fast. There's faster memory bandwidth in the M5 itself. It's gone to 153 gigabytes versus the 120, which helps with video editing and more complex AI tasks, I presume. And even the base model, which this is, so this is a base model 256. It does come with 12 gigabytes of RAM, which is pretty good considering it only came with 8 gigabytes, so that's 50% more RAM. Also, it's got the new N1 wireless chip with Wi-Fi 7, which helps with connectivity, and it's also got a fast charging now, so you can fast charge to 50% in 35 minutes. If you have the cellular option, you have the C81X modem, which I've decided not to go for. I tend to just use Wi-Fi and I'll tether to my phone, and I think that's fine for me. I don't really need another mobile network connection. But ultimately, this is the same screen, it's the same design, and if you have an M4, it depends how you use it, you might as well keep it. It uses the same accessories, same design. Essentially, it's the same. It has the same OLED Tandem display. This is like the same case, so it's more of a incremental upgrade for the device itself. But yeah, I'm going to do a slightly more in-depth review in the coming days. Maybe do some Geekbench results and some gaming on it. But for now, this is just a quick unboxing and review and why I did it, and hopefully it's been helpful for you. I'm loving it so far. I've always loved the design. I love my last one. And yeah, I'm loving the extra power I'm getting. And hopefully this will last a long time.